So we're on the back patio. This is a really beautiful space, large back patio with a seating area, a dining area. It has two Cassius Hunter fans, which is just a beautiful, simple, outdoor skew, 3 blades. It looks perfect in modern spaces, it looks perfect in traditional spaces, traditional casual spaces just like this. If you need a simple, no light fan that's a great value that you can trust to last a long time, this is the perfect fan. The Cassius is engineered to be damp rated, which means it's going to stand up to all the heat and humidity that the elements are going to throw at it, and you're never going to get that droopy bladed look. I love the size of this patio. I love that it has room for 2 fans, one above the sitting area and one above the dining area. It's got a very stately presence to it because it's got 2 skylights, 2 fans, and a hanging lantern, and these great copper lanterns on the back.